Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Apple Doc, your plug for anything and everything Apple. Now, you know what? I did something kind of rude. I didn't even tell you guys who I am. Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm your host. Okay. I have to be honest with you, this is not the way we wanted to launch the channel. In fact, we wanted to launch it in the studio that we just built with great lighting and great cameras and a desk and a whole setup. I call it the lab. And that's where we wanted to shoot our first video. But I don't know if you've been watching the news. Coronavirus had other plans, so we were faced with a decision. Should we wait? Or should we see if we can get a product in and just start giving you guys content? Maybe like a pleasant distraction from what's going on. So we decided, let's give you some content. Let's go get the iPad. So we're back from the P.O. box and we got our iPad Pro 2020. And we already took the little cellophane off of it because, you know, with all the coronavirus going around, we didn't want to have any unnecessary packaging on top of it. So we got it here now and it looks like we're ready to go. So we got ourselves a little pull tab here as normal. Should we get this thing? Ooh, I messed that up. I'm sorry. I'll do better next time. Anyways, let's go ahead and see if we can get this first home screen going. Give that a second here. You know, normal power cords. Now, just for initial hands-on, this thing is still beautiful. I can't really find a whole lot of problems with it right off the bat. It's very much, I will say, like 2018, and that's not a bad thing. Actually, the 2018 I have right here, I've enjoyed thoroughly. I'm actually monitoring myself on it right now, and I have no problems with it. It's missing the extra camera sensor, which is this new 10 megapixel ultra wide, which I guess that's what the iPad was missing, ultra wide camera. For those of you that are still at graduation with us behind you and we can't see, thanks. The base memory on this is 128, which I believe 2018 was 64. So that's something good. So for $799, instead of getting 64, like 2018, you'll get 128, which is a welcome change. This year, we also got the A12Z. The A12Z, we've seen from tests and comparisons that it might be just 1% faster, which, not gonna lie, that would be kind of disappointing, Apple. But, you know, maybe this is just a half step up. We won't know until we actually dig deep into it and actually compare the two. We'll definitely be looking for a chance to get to the Magic Keyboard and really to see if this could be like your true laptop replacement. But as far as first looks, hands-on, first impression, this thing is beautiful. $120 refresh rate, same as 2018 as well. I keep saying that, I keep making comparisons, but this truly is, it does feel like a step, like a slight step up. So there's no big, huge overhaul, but there are little tips and tricks and goodies that people are getting that maybe if you didn't get the 2018, it's just like, why don't you just go ahead and get the 2020? It's got a little bit more memory. It's got that extra camera if you happen to be in a pinch and you've got to use it. It makes more sense. So that is it for the first hands-on and looks. And gotta say, I am excited to actually pair these two together because they seem so similar. So I'm hoping that we find some differences here. But that's all for now. So until next time, please wash your hands, wash your bodies, stay safe, stay home. All right, see you guys next time.